Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will react on Afghanistan traditional dance in a wedding party, and this is the traditional dance, and a lot of people love this dance. So be with me up to the end of video. Hope you like So guys, please support me in the comment section. I'm waiting for your suggestion, and whatever it be, I will be reply for all of them. So make sure to subscribe the channel. So that's the end of our video, and especially thanks for you that you see my video up to this moment. And please guys, like and subscribe my channel. I need your support, that I will bring you this kind of lots of more video for you, and hope you enjoy from this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.